look bad in the video. In real life, that shit's thick. Oh, God. Oh, shit. You're in 4x. You're gonna rip right through it. That's what happens when you're in 4x.
God damn.
You're fucking bouncing like a little doll, dude.
God damn.
Jesus fucking Christ. Oh.
The fucking 4x came out again.
Let's see what you hit. You were ripping, dude. And just bam! You must have hit these big ones that I made here. Yeah, you hit that big kicker and that kicker and fucking boom!
God damn, I need to fix that 4x.
Oh. Fucking pull back up to the house or what?
I guess I need to fix that fucking. I need to put that back on so I can get a 2x. Wait, just wait. Just let these things fucking cool down.
Well, yeah, I'm just gonna close my hood. Fucking tranny cooler lines or something fucking happened down here. Fucking stinks. She got a little drip right about here. Tranny fluid. I don't know why it's in the front, but it is. That ain't good. 9 inches of lift on 35s. I love it. Bought it with a 6. I just put a 3 in on 35s. Came with 33s on a 6, but ain't done yet. I'm still gonna do 2 more inches, hopefully. T-bars and 2-inch add-a-leaf. As we're gonna head back up to the house here, get some Mountain Dew or something, and go find some beer. See ya.